Fan selection software. In a world where speed, accuracy, and presentation matter more than ever, engineering teams need tools that go beyond the ordinary. Imagine a selection process that's not just faster, but smarter. Not just functional, but beautifully intuitive. Welcome to the next generation of product selection. An advanced, cloud-based system designed to help you choose the right solution in just a few clicks. From performance curves and technical data, to CAD files, drawings, and ready-to-send selection cards. It's all integrated, all automatic, and always up to date. You can generate professional documentation, filter results in real time, and even manage projects and revisions, all in one place. No installations, no delays, just your browser and full control. Developed by experts, trusted by engineers, and fully customizable to your brand and your needs. This isn't just software, it's your competitive edge. Welcome to effortless engineering. Welcome to your new selection platform. Let's take a closer look at the core of the system, the fan selection module. Here, users can quickly define all key parameters to find the best fan for their project. It's designed to be fast, intuitive, and precise, so instead of browsing catalogs, you get optimized results in seconds. This module saves time, reduces errors, and helps engineers make smarter, data-driven decisions effortlessly. Selection criteria. To begin the fan selection process, users can define their search scope in two complementary ways, either by selecting product categories or by filtering using detailed technical properties. Category-based filtering. On the left-hand side, the system provides a list of fan categories, such as L-type, T-type, process type, box type, and more. You can select one or multiple categories at once, allowing for broader or more focused searches depending on your project needs. Once a category is selected, the system immediately displays all fan series that belong to it in the central panel. This allows you to quickly explore the product families that are relevant for your application. Property-based filtering, smart tags. Alternatively, or in combination, you can use the Properties tab, which offers a tag-based filtering system. Here, you'll find a wide range of technical and application-related attributes, including areas of application like HVAC, industrial ventilation, kitchen exhaust, clean rooms, or pneumatic transport. Fan types, centrifugal, axial, or mixed flow. Impeller blade shapes, forward curved, backward curved, airfoil, etc. Drive type, motor type, connection shape, number of phases, frequency, and control method. This interface is dynamic and context-aware, meaning, after selecting one attribute, the list of remaining options is automatically updated to reflect only the valid combinations that exist in the product database. For example, if you choose pneumatic transport as an application, only those fan models and configurations suitable for that purpose will remain selectable in other filters. This intelligent system ensures that users don't waste time exploring incompatible or unavailable configurations, and helps narrow down results to only the technically feasible and commercially available options. Overall, this dual filtering approach offers full flexibility. Whether you're searching by product line or by technical need, the system responds in real time to guide you to the right solution. Series filtering. After selecting a category or properties, the center panel displays all matching fan series. Each tile shows the number of available models inside that series, so you immediately know its scope. You can manually include or exclude any series from the analysis. Simply click to activate or deactivate. If nothing is selected, the system automatically includes all series by default. When you hover over a tile, a short description appears, giving you instant context about that product line. At the top, you'll find quick controls to select all, clear all, or invert selection, making it easy to manage even large lists. There's also a search bar to instantly find the series you're looking for. This setup gives users full control and speeds up the selection process significantly. Required operating point. In this section, the designer can define the required operating point of the fan, the key parameters used to filter matching products. You can specify the required airflow, either static or total pressure, as well as the acceptable tolerance range, both above and below the design point. Importantly, the input ranges for airflow and pressure are dynamically adjusted based on the selected fan series. so you only work within technically valid and available values. You can also enter the air density directly. The default value, based on standard conditions, is 204 kilograms per m. If needed, you can use the built-in air density calculator, which automatically updates the value based on ambient temperature, altitude above sea level, and relative humidity. To support the user throughout the process, each input field includes a tooltip that appears when hovering over it. These provide short, helpful explanations of each variable, making the system both powerful and easy to use. Regulation Module Intro with VFD Example. The regulation module defines how the fan speed will be controlled. Here we focus on inverter-based regulation, a common method in modern ventilation systems. There are 4 options. No control: the fan runs at full nominal speed, without an inverter. Automatic control: the inverter adjusts speed automatically to match system demand, ideal for variable conditions. Manual adjustment: the inverter frequency is set manually, useful for stable systems with occasional tuning. Preferred frequency range: you define the min and max frequency, and the system selects fans that work best within that range. The regulation logic also respects the tolerances set for airflow and pressure, ensuring stable performance within the defined limits. Limits. In the Limits section, users can define specific technical constraints to refine their selection even further. There are 2 types of parameters. Blue related to the calculated operating point. Red related to the fan's nominal characteristics. For each parameter, you can enter a minimum, a maximum, or both, depending on your project requirements. Only the limits that are manually activated will be used in the selection process, giving you full control. This flexible system helps filter out results that don't meet your technical or regulatory standards. Whether you care about efficiency, power consumption, noise levels, speed, motor load, or even fan weight. By narrowing the results set with smart constraints, you save time, avoid unsuitable options, and focus only on fans that truly meet your project's expectations. Operating costs. The operating cost section is a powerful tool that helps estimate the annual energy cost of running a selected fan. You can define the average number of working hours per day, the number of working days per year, and the unit cost of electricity. The system then calculates the projected yearly cost of operation based on the fan's energy consumption. This allows designers and decision-makers to compare fans not just by performance, but by real running costs. Quickly assess which solution will be most economical over time, and better justify selections based on return on investment. The currency used for cost calculation is defined globally in the main menu, with support for multiple international currencies, making this tool suitable for global projects. Whether you're optimizing for budget, efficiency, or long-term cost savings, this module provides essential insight at the selection stage. Optimization criteria. The optimization criteria section allows you to fine-tune how results are ranked based on what matters most in your project. You can choose a predefined method from the drop-down list. For example, high FEI, low noise, high efficiency, or low absorbed power. Each method sets the initial weight of different parameters, such as energy index, noise level, efficiency, or annual costs. You can also manually adjust weights. Click on any circle to increase its importance. Click while holding Shift to decrease it. The size of each circle shows how much it influences the selection. The bigger the circle, the stronger the priority. Finally, you can define the maximum number of results returned. For example, the top 20 fans that best match your criteria. This smart, visual approach helps you balance priorities and quickly find the most relevant and optimized solutions. The fan selection results are shown using 2 key elements: a dynamic performance chart and a comprehensive data table. The chart at the top visualizes the pressure flow characteristics of all matched fans, with the required operating point clearly marked. You can choose different chart views, horizontal, vertical, or full screen, and even pin the chart to the top, sticky mode, so it remains visible while browsing the data below. A powerful feature of the chart is the ability to toggle between regulated and unregulated views. When regulation, e.g., via inverter, is enabled, the system displays the fan characteristics adjusted for variable speed control, along with a light shaded area that shows the full range of regulation for each model. This helps users understand how flexible each fan is under changing system conditions. Just above the chart, fans are grouped visually by series. These series labels allow quick filtering. Clicking on one removes all fans of that type from the selection. Below, the data table provides detailed technical information for each fan, with parameters grouped by type. The first group displays performance at the actual duty point. The rest include electrical data, motor and impeller specifications, drive type, regulation settings, temperature limits, acoustic performance, physical size, housing dimensions, and estimated energy costs. This layout ensures fast navigation and clear comparison between models. Every column supports filtering by minimum or maximum values. The Info mode shows full parameter names in the headers, and tooltips offer detailed explanations of each variable on hover, helping users, even those less experienced, understand complex data like static efficiency, shaft power, or fan energy index, FEI. Together, the chart and table form a powerful tool set for analyzing and comparing fans, ensuring not only technical compliance with the requirements but also optimal energy and acoustic performance. The search results can be exported to various file types, including Excel, CSV, PDF, XML, or JSON depending on your preferred format. You can export either all listed fans or only the selected ones. Additionally, you can add individual fans to a comparison list, making it easy to evaluate multiple models side by side. You can also select a fan and open its dedicated configuration page. This module allows precise tuning of its parameters and gives access to detailed technical data and performance results. The fan selection system is a comprehensive and intelligent tool that significantly streamlines the process of choosing the right fan for any application. It combines technical precision with flexibility, allowing users to define their requirements in detail, optimize results based on specific priorities, and evaluate both performance and operating costs. The graphical and tabular result presentation makes interpretation fast and clear, while the ability to adjust control strategies, apply filters, or work with tolerances ensures realistic and energy-efficient solutions. Features like advanced export options, comparison mode, and access to detailed fan configuration further enhance usability. Overall, this system reduces selection time, increases design reliability, supports energy savings, and provides professional documentation all within a single, intuitive fan module. Now that we've identified the best matching fan, we can enter the selected fan module, a dedicated space where all technical details of the chosen model are available in one place. Here, we can precisely analyze its performance, view how it behaves across a wide range of operating conditions, and adjust specific parameters to match the real-world setup. This is also where we gain access to complete documentation, dimensional drawings, acoustic data, efficiency charts, and more. It's not just a summary, it's a deep dive into how this fan performs and why it's the right choice for the job. In the individual fan module, all relevant information about a specific fan model is conveniently structured into sections that can be shown or hidden from the navigation menu, depending on your needs. This ensures a clean, focused interface and allows you to explore exactly the data you want, without distractions. The module includes a descriptive overview of the fan and a high-resolution image, followed by a working point calculator that allows you to define desired airflow and pressure. Based on your input, the system calculates the actual operating point and displays all relevant parameters, from performance data to energy efficiency and acoustic levels. You'll find a detailed interactive chart, with different viewing modes and dynamic switching between controlled and non-controlled operation. The regulation range is always clearly marked in the background, and the chart remains visible as you scroll thanks to the sticky header option. Additional visualizations include auxiliary diagrams for key performance indicators, as well as 3D surface charts showing how parameters like power consumption vary across the operating range. Further down, you'll find comprehensive technical data including electrical, dimensional, acoustic, impeller, and motor characteristics. There's also access to associated documentation such as datasheets, manuals, certificates, CAD drawings, 2D, 3D, Revit files, and dimensional drawings. Each of these sections can be accessed individually, providing users with both a high-level overview and the ability to dive into technical details when needed. In the next steps, we will explore each of these modules in detail. In the fan configuration module, users can define and manage multiple working points to reflect various real-life operating scenarios. Each working point can have different airflow and pressure settings, as well as distinct control types, none, automatic inverter, or manual inverter control, and air density values, ideal for simulating different environmental or system conditions. In addition, these working points can be reused in the energy cost calculator. Even if 2 points share identical flow and pressure values, they can still be configured with different unit energy prices, for example, to reflect day and night electricity tariffs. The required, theoretical operating points are entered via a simple form. Based on those inputs, the system automatically calculates the real operating point and displays its parameters. Users can toggle between uncontrolled operation, where the fan follows its main characteristic curve, automatic inverter regulation, adjusting frequency to precisely meet the target point, or manual inverter settings to simulate performance along a user-defined system resistance curve. The calculated point data is available in both basic and extended formats, with the latter including nearly every possible parameter, from efficiency and SFP to FEI and sound level. Additionally, pressure input can be swapped between static and total, with curves updating accordingly in real time. All configured working points can be saved to a personal library, allowing users to reuse them with other fan models without having to re-enter data, streamlining the selection process across multiple scenarios. The main performance chart presents a comprehensive view of the fan's operating characteristics. It visually combines the fan curve, selected working points, and system resistance curves, offering a clear picture of how the fan behaves under various conditions. At the heart of the chart are the working points, each representing a specific airflow and pressure requirement. These points can be added, edited, or moved in multiple ways. Users can manually enter values in the input form, scroll within the fields for quick adjustment, or interact directly with the chart by clicking on a new location along the curve. Impressively, any change is reflected almost instantly, with recalculations occurring up to 20 times per second. This real-time feedback is rarely found in fan selection tools and is made possible by the innovative Cloudair platform, which delivers exceptional responsiveness. Beyond the basic performance curves, the chart allows users to overlay various ISO curves, zones of constant value, such as ERP compliance areas, fan energy index, FEI, total and static efficiency, power consumption, torque, specific fan power, SFP, acoustic power level, and more. These overlays provide valuable insights into energy efficiency, regulatory performance, and acoustic behavior at different flow and pressure points. The chart is also fully configurable. Users can switch between linear and logarithmic scales on the X and Y axes, toggle crosslines, rulers, and grid visibility, and even export the view in multiple formats such as SVG, JPG, or PNG. This flexibility makes the main chart not just a display tool, but an interactive design environment that supports detailed performance evaluation and decision-making. Next to the main performance chart, a set of the most important supporting diagrams is always visible. These graphs display key performance parameters, power consumption, static efficiency, total efficiency, and the fan energy index, FEI, plotted against airflow. Each selected working point is reflected in these charts, allowing for a quick comparison of energy use and efficiency at different operating conditions. The synchronized view helps the user understand how changes in airflow or system resistance influence energy demand and overall fan performance. The values on these supporting charts update dynamically as the operating point is modified, making them an essential tool for making informed design decisions, whether optimizing for efficiency, minimizing consumption, or ensuring regulatory compliance. For each operating point, acoustic parameters are automatically calculated based on laboratory-measured data provided by the manufacturer. The module presents 3 distinct sound sources: inlet, outlet, and the fan casing. Users can apply standard frequency-weighted sound filters, none, A, B, or C, to match specific project or regulatory requirements. Additionally, correction parameters can be adjusted directly. The directional factor, Q, distance from the sound source, and the equivalent absorption surface area, Sabine, in the room. These settings allow for precise adaptation of the acoustic results to real-world installation environments. If no laboratory measurements are available, the system can estimate acoustic performance using the VDI 3731 standard. This method calculates sound power levels based on the fan's working point and constructional data such as impeller type, rotational speed, and geometry, ensuring that even early design stages can rely on reliable acoustic estimations. The technical data module presents all essential nominal information about the fan, organized into clear sections such as flow, electrical, motor, regulation, impeller, temperature, acoustic, size, and drive. This structured layout allows users to quickly locate key specifications. Each parameter features a tooltip with a detailed explanation of its meaning, units, and practical significance, ideal for both professionals and those less familiar with technical terminology. Notably, when the unit system is changed, e.g., from metric to imperial, all values in the module are automatically recalculated and displayed in the selected unit system, ensuring consistency throughout. This module offers full transparency and technical depth, supporting clear documentation and well-informed decisions. This section displays a full set of performance charts for all key variables plotted against airflow. Each chart shows the parameter's behavior across different inverter frequencies, enabling comprehensive performance analysis. You can toggle the visibility of each chart using the parameter tags at the top, focusing only on the data that matters to your application. Whether you're interested in pressure, power consumption, efficiency, torque, or acoustic indicators, this module provides a complete and dynamic visual overview of fan behavior under varying flow conditions. The 3D chart module introduces an advanced way to analyze the fan's performance by enabling full three-dimensional interaction with key operating variables. Here you can assign any measured or calculated quantity to each of the three axes: airflow, pressure, static, dynamic, or total, power consumption, torque, various efficiencies, and many others. This flexibility makes it possible to visually explore the interdependence of different parameters. For example, you can observe how the power consumption changes depending on both airflow and static pressure, or switch to a view where total efficiency is plotted against airflow and torque, revealing optimal zones of operation. The chart also offers multiple visualization styles and color maps, such as Voridis, Electric, or Rainbow, which help emphasize trends and gradients across the surface. This makes it especially useful for engineers, researchers, and designers who want to quickly identify performance peaks, inefficiencies, or boundaries. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to intuitively interpret complex behavior patterns that would be hard to spot using only 2D graphs. In development and optimization, this 3D visualization can support better design decisions, parameter tuning, and deeper insight into how a fan behaves under changing loads and operating environments. We also provide a dedicated file library module, where all documentation related to the selected fan model is organized and easily accessible. This includes catalog sheets, user manuals, technical documentation, 2D and 3D CAD files, DWG, STEP, Revit, certifications, and declarations of conformity. Each file is clearly previewed and named for quick identification. Users can filter or search by keywords, select multiple files at once, or view them in either list or thumbnail mode depending on their preference. This module ensures that engineers, designers, or contractors have all necessary documents on hand, whether for design, approval, integration into BIM environments, or compliance. The example shown illustrates just a few documents, but the full system supports much broader libraries tailored to every product series. We also include a dimensions module featuring a detailed mechanical drawing of the fan, with all key geometrical parameters clearly labeled, including total width and height, inlet and outlet sizes, mounting positions, and motor alignment. Each dimension, A, B, C, etc., is paired with its exact numerical value, making the technical integration into designs and documentation straightforward and precise. Importantly, if the unit system is changed, for example, from millimeters to inches, all dimension values are instantly recalculated and updated accordingly, ensuring consistency and accuracy across the interface without requiring manual conversion. The navigation system of the interface is designed for clarity and control. A fixed breadcrumb path at the top of the screen clearly shows where you are in the product structure, whether you're viewing a fan group, a specific model, or a detail module. This makes it easy to understand the context of the data being viewed and to return to previous sections effortlessly. Additionally, each functional module, such as charts, technical data, files, dimensions, or documentation, can be turned on or off as needed. This modularity gives users full flexibility to tailor the view to their current needs, whether they're comparing specifications, exploring performance curves, or accessing technical drawings. The interface remains focused, clean, and task-oriented. The fan view is a comprehensive module that brings together all essential technical information, performance charts, acoustic data, dimensions, and documentation for the selected fan model. Users can interact with the main performance chart, view additional parameter curves, analyze acoustics, and explore 3D visualizations, all of which update dynamically based on selected units. Each module can be toggled on or off depending on the user's needs. Navigation is clear and always visible at the top, showing the current location in the interface. The user can also generate a selection card, add the fan to a project, or include it in a comparison. Creating a fan selection card is quick, intuitive, and highly customizable. Start by entering project-specific information, a custom symbol, quantity, designer or company name, and any comments or special requirements. You can also name the project, making it easier to organize or share within your team. Then, choose the language, perfect for international use or client presentation. Next, select the format of the document. Minimal a clean, one-page summary, ideal for quick reviews or technical submittals. Compact a two-page version with all essential information well organized for easy reading. Full a comprehensive, multi-page layout. All diagrams, charts, and parameters are expanded with larger fonts and full resolution, making it ideal for documentation or in-depth analysis. And for maximum flexibility, choose the configurable option. Here, you decide what to include, which modules, charts, acoustics, performance data, or electrical specs. It's fully tailored to your needs. Once your selection card is ready, open it directly in your browser, or download it instantly as a PDF, ready to send or print. Efficient, professional, fully adapt to the product catalog. Here, users begin their selection journey by choosing one or more fan categories from the panel on the left. Once selected, the interface dynamically displays only the relevant application areas and technical options, such as fan type, drive type, blade shape, or control method. These filters work together in real time, continuously updating the list of available series based on your selection. Each product series is presented as a tile, and you can change how the tiles are displayed. Choose between compact thumbnails for faster browsing, or larger tiles with names and descriptions for easier recognition. You can also search for specific models or series directly using the quick search bar at the top. This intuitive filtering and browsing experience makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for, whether you're browsing hundreds of options or looking for a specific fan type. Applications and features comparative overview. In addition to the visual product catalog, users can explore fans based on grouped application tags and technical characteristics. At the top, all product categories are clearly visible. You can select one or multiple types at once, enabling fast, multi-criteria filtering. Below, a dynamic comparison table appears, where each row represents a fan model, and each column stands for an application field or technical parameter, such as drive type, impeller blade shape, motor type, or control options. This view instantly updates as you filter, making it extremely efficient to identify which models meet specific project requirements. The layout is clean, scrollable, and exportable, offering engineers, designers, and consultants a comprehensive at-a-glance overview of product compatibility. This powerful tool not only saves time, but also reduces the margin for selection. Series page, your all-in-one overview of every model in a selected product line. At the top, a dynamic navigation path shows exactly where you are and lets you jump between categories with ease. On the left, a modular menu gives you instant access to everything that matters. Series information, performance charts, technical data, downloads, and dimensional drawings. Front and center is the cumulative performance chart, a powerful visual that plots all fan variants in one view. With a quick glance, you can see how each model performs across airflow and pressure. It's an instant way to narrow down your choices, fast, clear, and efficient. Just below, a structured data table brings all nominal values together. Electrical parameters, airflow, power, noise levels, speed, and more, grouped and easy to read. You can filter, sort, or export the data, and every unit adjusts automatically when you change measurement systems. Need to take action? Add any model to your project, to the comparison tool, or generate a selection card in just seconds. Further down, the file library gives you everything you need. Catalog sheets, manuals, 2D and 3D CAD files, Revit files, certificates, all in one place, ready to download. And in the final section, dimension data. Every key measurement, precisely listed and automatically converted based on your chosen unit system. This series page is designed for speed, clarity, and confidence. Whether you're selecting one fan or reviewing dozens, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Module your powerful workspace for managing all ventilation system designs and installations in one place. From the main view, you can access a comprehensive list of your saved projects, each one containing essential information like project name, status, designer, investor, budget, and more. Let's dive into a project. Here, you'll find the complete project data at the top, including the type of facility, team members, contact information, and optional notes. You can also select the language for reports and define the layout of the final PDF document. Below that, you'll find the Project Elements section, where all selected fans for this project are listed. Each fan is shown with its model, symbol, quantity, comments, and key operating parameters like airflow, pressure, and speed. You can easily add, duplicate, or remove fans from the project, and every change is immediately reflected across all modules. Switching to the Performance Charts tab, you'll see dynamic operating curves for every fan in the project. These charts include highlighted duty points visualizing real working conditions. And thanks to integrated QR codes, each chart can be accessed digitally and instantly. Now let's look at the consolidated list of products. This smart table summarizes the entire bill of materials for your project, grouping identical fans and providing totals at a glance. It's ideal for preparing orders or exporting to external systems. And when you're ready, just one click generates a professional PDF project report. Each report includes complete fan details, performance data, QR codes, and unique links. Not only do these links point to the fan itself, they also contain a secure token for the exact selection parameters. That means when someone opens the link, they see precisely what you selected, no adjustments needed. The Projects module is designed to keep your work structured, efficient, and presentation ready, no matter how simple or complex your ventilation system needs to be. With the Projects module, you streamline collaboration, reduce errors, and save valuable time, all while delivering precise, professional documentation at every stage of the project. The Comparison module is one of the most powerful tools in the platform, designed to help users make fast, informed, and confident decisions. It brings all selected fans together in one place, allowing for a side-by-side analysis of both performance curves and technical data. With just a few clicks, users can adjust the operating point and immediately see how each fan performs in the given conditions, with curves and calculations updated in real time. The Smart Data table highlights best and worst values across multiple performance parameters, such as efficiency, power consumption, pressure, and airflow. Values are color-coded for clarity, and entire data groups can be expanded or collapsed for better focus and readability. The interface also offers different curve display styles, allowing engineers and specifiers to tailor the view to their preferences or presentation needs. Fans can be added to the comparison list from multiple areas of the platform, from selection results, the product catalog, or directly from the product details page. There's no limit to the number of products that can be compared. Once the comparison is complete, a professional PDF report can be generated, including performance charts and full technical specifications, ready to download, share, or present to clients. The Comparison module empowers users to identify the optimal solution faster, easier, and more precisely, saving time and increasing confidence in every selection. File Library, your all-in-one gateway to every document you need. From technical datasheets and 2D/3D CAD drawings, to operation manuals, certificates, and declarations of conformity, it's all here, right at your fingertips. Thanks to a smart, intuitive search engine and a clean visual layout, you can instantly locate, preview, and download exactly the files you need, whether it's for design, documentation, or a quick quotation request. Files are clearly grouped by type and linked to corresponding products in the catalog, making navigation seamless and lightning fast. Need multiple files? Simply select them, compress to zip, and download in one click. Every document is visually previewed for clarity, fully integrated with other modules, and available in multiple languages. That means faster workflows, fewer errors, and professional, consistent deliverables every time. Whether you're an engineer, designer, or sales rep, this module empowers you to deliver with precision, speed, and confidence. Media Library, the visual heart of your product data ecosystem. This powerful module gives you instant access to all graphic and technical materials related to your products, from dimensional drawings and schematic diagrams, to photo galleries and main visuals for presentations, catalogs, and offers. With built-in support for high-quality file formats like PNG, JPEG, and SVG, the Media Library ensures precise, clean visuals perfect for documentation, quoting, or customer communication. Everything is neatly categorized and searchable. Whether you're looking for a dimensioned SVG file or a high-res product image, it's all just a few clicks away. And since the library is fully integrated with the product catalog and offer modules, All assets are automatically synchronized and available exactly where and when you need them. Fast, reliable, visually rich. The media library elevates your workflow and ensures that your product presentations are as professional as the engineering behind them. Units Configuration Module. Easily switch between metric and imperial units across all key parameters, from airflow and pressure to power and dimensions. Customize the display to match your regional standards with just one click. Clear descriptions help users stay confident and precise. It's flexibility that speaks your language. The History of Generated Selection Cards module gives users complete control over all previously created selection cards. You can edit data directly in the table, update project details, and instantly regenerate a new PDF version of the selection card. Each record can be filtered, duplicated, or assigned to a project, making it easy to track changes and manage design revisions. It's a smart and efficient way to organize your work, ensuring that every version of your fan selection is always accessible, up-to-date, and ready to export. Cloudair Software Solutions. At Cloudair, we don't just build software. We deliver ready-to-use, powerful selection systems tailored for HVAC and ventilation industries. Our platform is already fully developed, tested, and deployed, saving you months of costly development and uncertainty. Instead of building from scratch, you can have a proven, high-performance system personalized to your brand, your products, and your workflow, all in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost. Fast implementation. Get up and running in days, not months. Custom branding product integration. Powerful features out of the box, selection cards, performance graphs, file libraries, 2D, 3D CAD, and more. Modular architecture. Adapt and scale effortlessly. User-friendly interface loved by designers and engineers. Web-based responsive. No installations. Fully cloud-enabled. Professional support from experts who know your industry. Whether you're a fan manufacturer, system integrator, or distributor, with Cloudair, you're not buying a tool. You're unlocking a ready-made solution that empowers your team, impresses your clients, and puts you miles ahead of the competition. Let us bring your product selection to the next level. Faster, smarter, and better.